call him off.
I can't.
I will slit your carotid wide open.
They already paid me.
Give it back.
What?
Give back the money. All of it.
Each one's worth hundreds now. Let's split it.
I'm not my great-grandmother, Ida. I don't make bargains with devils. You found her journal?
When I remodeled, stashed in a wall.
Learned to communicate with these two. Arranged a deal.
What deal?
Tell him.
Don't be an idiot. There's lots more where that came from.
What deal?
Ida's been helping them Shanghai people. Drugging men who approached me here, making it seem I was involved in the disappearances.
Why?
She convinced them the Winslet could still be saved. All they needed were a few extra hands, which she provided for a fee.
So you set up my brother? Malcolm had it figured out, so you murdered him too.
No, listen.
You know me. You've seen what I can do. I destroyed your ship and everyone aboard. It's gone. They're dead. And so are you. She's tricked you. Kept you coming back, kept you bringing her money, all the while knowing you can never free your ship.
Don't listen to her. She's lying.
Your debt is paid. Take this and be at peace.